How to change your phone number. First, you want to launch open the WhatsApp on your device. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. From here, select Settings. Now you want to select the account option. You will find different options here. Go ahead and select Change Number. Tap on that. Now, here it says changing your phone number will migrate your account info, groups, and settings. Before proceeding, you want to confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. If you have both a new phone and new number, first change your number on your old phone. Now tap on the next option. Now go ahead and enter your new phone number with country. Add your country code here. Then enter your new phone number over here. After that, tap on the next option. Here it says you're about to change your number. Now if you want to share your new number with your contacts, go ahead and toggle this option on. Then tap on the Done option. You will now receive a 6-digit code via SMS or call. Enter the code to complete the process. Once verified, all of your WhatsApp chat, group settings will move to the new number automatically. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.